Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News. Now, as we lead up to Christmas, we've been talking about our Notes to the North Pole, an opportunity for four-state boys and girls to let the big man up north know exactly what was on their Christmas list. And here's the great thing about it. We've got a special guest that's going to join us for the next week to read off those lists. That is right. Direct from the North Pole, we are fortunate enough to be joined by Santa Claus. Santa, I want to thank you for joining us this morning and helping us out with our Notes to the North Pole.
It is my pleasure, Michael. I'm glad I could do it.
You don't mind if I pepper you with some morning questions from our kiddos, do you?
No, be my guest.
Well, I got one here from Sarah because Sarah kind of read my mind. And Sarah, I appreciate this. This is a wonderful question. Santa, what is Rudolph's favorite food?
Well, that's a good question, Sarah. Rudolph really likes carrots. He eats a lot of those, but all of the reindeer like candy canes too, but we try not to give them a whole lot of those.
And Sarah, we're going to come right back to you, but also too, while I was thinking about food, Maddie and Bailey, they came up with a pretty interesting one as well. Personal preference, of course. What kind of cookies do you like?
Well, truthfully, I've never met a cookie I didn't like, but my favorite is probably chocolate chip.
With 2020 being the year it was, I greatly appreciate all you kiddos that sat down and took time from your schedules to get a hold of Santa and let him know perhaps what was on your wish list. And I want to go back to Sarah from Girard right there, because I understand that she was one of our first ones to write you a list, Santa. Can you tell me a little bit what Sarah's looking for?
Well, sure can. I've got the list here of the kids that wrote in, and Sarah is wanting a toy kangaroo, toy bat, a toy dog, a real dog, a table, and a remote control monster truck.
Sarah's house is going to be a menagerie by the time it's all said and done.
It sure is. But also Sarah wanted to wish everyone a safe and happy holiday season.
I understand. Sarah also, you can talk about out of the kindness of your heart, she also let us know about some of her family members there, didn't she?
She sure did. She gave me a list of them, and she talked about her brother Doug, her mom Tina, her grandmother Connie.
Sarah, that is so nice of you to bring up your other family members. That shows that you have a heart of gold, kiddo. Santa got Malachi up in Nevada, and Malachi, I understand, he's kicked off a little bit with a Disney theme.
Yes, he did. He sure did. He's looking for a Mickey Mouse and Paw Patrol, and this is also Malachi's first Christmas.
Santa, I know you're extremely busy, but I'm going to ask you, can we do one more list? Because I know Bailey in Pittsburgh, she also got one to you.
Yes, she did, and we sure can. We can do whatever we can fit in here, Michael. Yeah, Bailey's asking for a baby doll that looks real, baby clothes, and baby toys.
Santa, I tell you what, I know you're busy in the workshop and everything, and I know you've got to get back. And also, tell Mrs. Claus we said hi. You mind if we catch up with you tomorrow? Is that a possibility?
That would be great, Michael. I'll be glad to meet with you again.
All right, so we're going to check in with Santa tomorrow. I want to thank our good friends at the Christmas Shop for hooking us up with the big man up north. Santa, I know you're swamped, and I appreciate your time, and we'll see you right back here on the KOAM Morning News. As a matter of fact, we're going to have more KOAM Morning News when we return right after this.